What's up, guys? Back again. Okay, finally just got back the Mini from the shop. Body kit is on. Car is fully painted. It's actually raining right now. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Actually, so it's going right back into the shop today because we're gonna do the suspension. So we're gonna do the coilovers and all these stuff here. So we got let's see, controller arm. Yeah. This we have front sway bar, and then we got rear sway bar. End links. And these are for the fronts. And we got rear end links. And here we got coilovers. So once I get all these stuff installed, then I'll do a full walk around on the car. And then we got the wheels here. Advan TC4. So just a short video here, just showing you guys what I have going on and a little update. So yeah, a couple days, get these done today, and then in a couple days I'll be back with another video with everything installed on the car.